African American to vote in an election in the U.S. His historic vote took place shortly after the passage of the 15th Amendment, which gave all people the right to vote. But some historical accounts say hundreds of thousands of African Americans have already voted for decades in states where blacks were free. I'm Perry McCready of the Black Information Network. Let's make sure history records our vote this year. Make a plan to vote today.
iHeartRadio goes one-on-one with John Legend about where he gets the stories behind his songs.
Sometimes my music isn't always directly autobiographical. Sometimes I just write a song because an idea came to me. I like to tell great stories and build on those stories and hopefully make them into great songs. We try to tap into the human experience, and it doesn't have to be our personal experience all the time to create great art.
Keep listening to iHeartRadio for more from your favorite artists.
The Black Information Network is honored to have Verizon as a founding partner. The company created the Verizon Innovative Learning STEM Achievers Program to help middle school students learn about career opportunities in technology field. We followed up with 5 alumni to learn how the program impacted their educational journey. In middle school, Ricky Richardson stuck to sports, but his participation in the Verizon STEM Achievers Program expanded his horizons and helped him develop a passion for engineering. Today, Ricky is a high school STEM student and plans to attend college at North Carolina A&T State University. Sarah Throckmorton always preferred science to the arts, so joining the Verizon STEM Achievers Program was a no-brainer. Sarah credits the mentors in the program with teaching her to demonstrate her leadership skills and speak up for herself. Today, Sarah serves as a mentor in the program herself. Serenity Branch struggled with math and science in middle school, but after her time as a Verizon STEM Achiever at South Arkansas Community College, Serenity became proficient in both subjects. She is now determined to attend Texas A&M University and become a traveling veterinarian. Joshua Garner was thrilled to attend the Verizon STEM Achievers Program at North Carolina A&T State University. Joshua says the program taught him not to be intimidated by technology. Today, Joshua majors in supply chain management at North Carolina A&T, his dream school. Christopher Floyd joined Verizon STEM Achievers at Tuskegee University. The program helped Christopher develop both his artistic and analytical skills, and he now credits the program with improving his work ethic. Today, the aspiring aerospace engineer has his sights set on an academic scholarship to college. The Verizon Innovative Learning STEM Achievers Program. It's free and available to middle schoolers in certain areas. Learn more at VerizonInnovativeLearning.com.
I'm John Marshall. Here's the latest on the Black Information Network. A lawsuit is being filed in Chicago that claims a hair straightener manufactured by L'Oreal causes cancer. Plaintiff Jenny Mitchell says the product marketed to African-American women has led to her being diagnosed with uterine cancer. She's being represented by well-known civil rights attorney Benjamin Crump. New York City is going ahead with the removal of the coronavirus vaccine mandate for private sector employees and students doing extracurricular activities. Top city health officials voted to remove the strict mandate a little over a month after Mayor Eric Adams announced it would be rescinded. The autopsy report for a black man killed by a Columbus, Ohio police officer is finally out. The report released by the Franklin County Coroner's Office shows 20-year-old Donovan Lewis was shot and killed while in bed in August as police tried to arrest him on multiple warrants. That's the latest. I'm John Marshall on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network, and BINnews.com.
Black news all day, every day.
The power of information. The Bay Area's BIN 910. Sports on the Black Information Network.
In college football, the Miami Hurricanes are landing one of the nation's top cornerback prospects. Cornerback Cormani McClain announced last Thursday that he is committing to play at Miami. McClain chose the Hurricanes from a final list that included Alabama and Florida. ESPN ranks McClain as its 4th overall prospect for the 2023 recruiting class. Mario Cristobal and Miami had already landed offensive tackle Francis Mauigoa, who is ranked 5th overall by ESPN. McClain plays at Lakeland High School in Florida. Speaking of Florida, a Miami Dolphins star is being sued by a woman who claims he gave her an incurable STD. The woman alleges the year after she met Xavier Howard, he tested positive for the STD, but continued to tell her he was negative. In 2021, she too tested positive and says he's the only one who could have transmitted it to her. She wants at least $30,000 in damages. In a statement, Howard's publicist says the quarterback is aware of the suit and will fight these allegations to the fullest extent of the law. So far, the team had no comment. This comes as Tampa Bay Buccaneers quarterback Tom Brady says he and Gisele Bündchen have finalized their divorce after 13 years of marriage. In an Instagram post, Brady said they arrived at the decision amicably with gratitude for the time they spent together. He added their children will be the center of their world and they'll work together as parents to ensure their kids get the life they deserve. Brady asked for privacy and respect as they navigate what's next to come in their lives. The terms of the settlement will remain confidential. The divorce document has been filed in Florida. Sports at 14 and 44 minutes past each hour. I'm Morgan Wood on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network, and BINnews.com.
A special thank you to Verizon,
a proud founding partner who shares and supports the mission of the Black Information Network.
I'm Weston DeShong with another essential black film. The semi-autobiographical tale of an up-and-coming musician comes to life in 1984's Purple Rain, starring music icon Prince as the struggling band leader in search of success in the vibrant Minneapolis music scene. Purple Rain showcases the multi-talented Prince who not only battles rival musician Morris Day for the affections of girl group leader Apollonia.
Once it started, you have to purify yourself in the waters of Lake Minnetonka.
But also struggles with inner demons. The film's cast includes Clarence Williams III, Billy Sparks, and Jerome Benton, and features performances by Prince and the Revolution, Morris Day and the Time, and Apollonia 6. With only a $7 million budget, Purple Rain went on to gross over $75 million worldwide. The film also won an Academy Award for Best Original Song Score and was added to the National Film Registry by the Library of Congress in 2019. Considered one of the greatest musical films ever produced, Purple Rain is another essential black film. I'm Weston DeShong for the Black Information Network.
Entertainment news on the Black Information Network.
Drake is going to have to postpone his newly announced album. The singer is collaborating with rapper 21 Savage on his second project of 2022 titled Her Loss. The album was set to air October 28th, but on Wednesday, Drake revealed his longtime producer, Noah Shabib, had contracted COVID-19 and needs time to rest. The new release date is set for the following Friday, November 4th. Drake and 21 Savage have worked together on multiple songs in the past, including on Drake's last two albums. Meanwhile, Peloton announced that it will not include any of Kanye West's music in its new classes, and old classes that feature his songs won't be suggested to members. In London, Madame Tussauds removed its wax figure of Kanye. The Wax Museum told The Hollywood Reporter that each profile earns their place at Madame Tussauds London, and we listen to our guests and the public on what they expect to see at the attraction. TJ Maxx is also preventing any excess Yeezy merchandise from hitting its shelves. The discount retailer told its buyers not to purchase any of its merchandise after retailers such as Gap and Foot Locker announced they were pulling it from their shelves. And Tory Lanez is going to be spending a lot more time inside. A judge placed him under house arrest until his trial against Megan Thee Stallion starts, which is November 28th. The order came down on Wednesday after accusations that he beat up singer August Alsina back in September. With the latest entertainment at 17 and 47 minutes past each hour, I'm Morgan Wood on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network, and BINnews.com.
I'm Keith Urquhart. On the Black Information Network, John Mercer Langston was the first black man to become a lawyer when he passed the bar in Ohio in 1854. When he was elected in 1855 to the post of town clerk in Brownheim, Ohio, Langston became one of the first African Americans ever elected to public office in America. John Mercer Langston was also the great uncle of Langston Hughes, famed poet of the Harlem Renaissance. The son of a Virginia planter and a slave mother, Langston was emancipated at the age of 5, attended school in Ohio, and graduated from Oberlin in 1849. He quickly became a leader among free blacks, and he helped organize the National Equal Rights League, of which he was the first president. And that's a fact. For these stories